So this 2010 Ford Vans E-350 came with a real bad misfire. So to access the spark plugs and coil packs, take off the doghouse, and that's just these clips. This clips in right there and clip right there. And you pull that off and set it aside. Look in here. This is your coil plug clip, or coil pack clip, and here's your coil pack. And this side is 5, 6, 7, 8. The other side's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then to take it off, there's a little bolt right there. It's 9/32 bolt. Pull that out. And it is a bit tricky, especially with farther back ones. But you pull that out, unplug it, pull it off, pull out the spark plug, and put the new ones in. This thing had a real bad leak. Sounded like it had a real bad exhaust leak almost, just because it sounded like a rod was about to fly through the plug. There's a coil pack. The other one wasn't as bad. It was still pretty messed up. And there's a spark plug. Not supposed to be touching. Yeah. You got these later model Ford Vans. You just gotta pull out this centerpiece, the doghouse, and then it's access to all your spark plugs, some other engine transmission components.